Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream thicker. Achieving perfectly thick whipped cream starts with cold ingredients. Make sure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. Also, chilling your mixing bowl and whisk for at least 50 minutes beforehand can significantly improve the whipping process. Whip the cream at medium-high speed until it forms stiff, stable peaks that hold their shape beautifully. A fantastic way to stabilize your whipped cream is by using cornstarch. For every 1 cup of heavy cream, gently whisk in about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It is best to sift the cornstarch with any powdered sugar you are adding to prevent lumps. This simple addition helps absorb excess moisture, ensuring your whipped cream remains thick and holds its structure for several hours without becoming watery. Another excellent stabilizer is cream of tartar. For each cup of heavy cream, incorporate about 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. It is best to add this ingredient early, perhaps after the cream has just started to thicken slightly. Cream of tartar works by increasing the acidity, which helps the fat globules in the cream bind together more effectively, resulting in a wonderfully firm and long-lasting whipped cream. For an extra boost in thickness, you can also try adding 1 tablespoon of dry milk powder for every cup of cream. Remember, patience is key. Stop whipping as soon as stiff peaks form to avoid over-whipping, which can quickly turn your beautiful cream into butter. Store any remaining whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain its delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.